So this, guys, while we're just having this conversation, there's another video that we're going to be doing on this. So welcome to the channel. If anyone doesn't know you, my name's, or doesn't know you, doesn't know me. Yes, doesn't know me. My name's Big Al, and I have grown to a point where I've got a little army of haters. Not as many as I've got the lovers. So we went down and done a phone. If you want to look at the video, here. This is a great wee video. And this video is about me buying a hater phone. I went into a shop and I asked for a burner. This is this gorgeous little Nokia phone. It's great. And then I started getting calls thinking they were haters. The only thing I got is a heavy breather. I thought it was someone who was, because I talked about the video me being a debater. And nobody picked up on it. I am a debater and I like to debate. So I would call myself a master debater. Yeah? I'm good at master debating. And the way I see it is, come on.
It only just hit me there whenever you said it.
Did you not notice it? Please, guys, 93% of you are not subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe to keep the entertainment coming. Thanks for watching. Nobody else picked up on the last video, me calling myself a master debate. You got it, didn't you, Drew? You got it, mate. Did you get it? Anyway, so I'm a master. Did you only get it?
Literally, as soon as you said it there, yeah. I understood it.
Crickets. You got to give him crickets. You got it. It took him a while. Get a confusion on his head. You got it now? All right. It's not as fun, is it now? So I'm a master debater, and I wanted to have some master debation with other people. Nobody called me. All I got was someone actually probably masturbating because he was heavy breathing and he hung up on me when I answered the phone.
He wanted to bait off.
He wanted it. So it's turned out this is not a hater phone because none of you guys who talk shit to me on the channel have the balls or the courage to come and speak to my face or speak to me in person or by the phone. All I have got is nothing but admiration. People calling me saying how good this channel actually is. So we are going to call this the lover phone. So this is the fan phone from now on in. If you guys want to call me, I'll put it in my channel from now on in, and you guys can call me at any time you want and tell me what you think of me or my channel or my guys or anything else we do, or you want advice or mentoring, or you want to come and speak to me, because a lot of people ask me, can I reach out to you? What I would advise you with this channel, please respect my time. Don't expect to have half an hour conversation while I'm eating my dinner, all right? Because I really don't want to spend, hello, Big Al's phone. Yes, it's me. Yeah, I don't want to hear that. Yeah, would you agree? Because I'll be there all bloody day and I'll not be doing videos anymore and you not seeing me anymore on the channel. But there it is. That's what we're going to do. Is we're going to change. This is going to be the new love phone. The love phone.
What's the Big Al hotline? It's the love line.
The Big Al hotline. Well, I think we'll decide what we're going to... So we've got poll number 1 we're going to call it. Yeah. What is it again?
Big Al hotline.
I'll call it that. Yeah, we'll call it the Big Al hotline. Okay. So happy enough. That's us done. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe and click the alert button.